Hello from Swedish paradise, beach paradise more exactly. I am at Erstaviksbadet in Nacka municipality in Stockholm region on this wonderful sunny 4th of October 2024 and beach day number 162 of my Sweden beach adventures. And I am at my happy place in Stockholm. This is a beautiful natural sandy beach in the nature reserve of Erstavik. Huge sandy beach with huge green area as well and rocky areas around it in the beautiful nature. So it has been a while since I had a swim in the Baltic Sea. The last time I was here was on 14th of September, and then it was quite warm, to be fair. It was around 18 degrees both in the sea and in the air. Currently we have only 12 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly, but there is no wind, and with the sun it feels a lot warmer than that. And I'm all alone on this huge beach today, on this Friday, as the beach season in Sweden and maybe rest of Europe is over, but not for me. I'm still continuing, and I really wanted to visit the sea and see what is the temperature here. Before I go in and measure it, let me show you my squat gravel bike that got me here. 16 kilometers for 40 minutes through very nice roads. It is basically 11 kilometers of roads and then 5 kilometers through the nature reserve in off-track terrain. So beautiful, beautiful sunny day. As I mentioned, only 12 degrees, but still the water looks absolutely stunning. Look at that, super clear, super nice. I really hope it is not super cold as well, because it's magical, like you're in some beautiful Mediterranean destination, right? You will never imagine that this is in Stockholm, the capital city of Sweden. All right, let's then go in with the thermometer while I show you the nice view of Erstaviksbadet, Erstaviks beach. And yeah, so let's see how cold the sea has gotten in the previous 20 days. So we have 15 degrees Celsius in the sea, so not that cold. As in one of the smaller lakes in close to my home was 12 degrees the other day, so 15 degrees I can definitely take it, especially when it is sunny weather without wind. So yes, I'm continuing my beach adventures on this beach day number 162, and it's time now to explore and take a swim in the Baltic Sea in this beautiful, beautiful nature indeed. So follow me as I'm showing you the beauty of Nacka, that is Erstaviks Nature Reserve in Stockholm, Sweden. Who would have thought that you can swim in the Baltic Sea in October in Sweden? It's pretty amazing. And also to be all alone on this huge beach on a nice day like this, it's really a blessing. So the water is so much inviting. Despite being 15 degrees, I think it's still good enough, at least for me, to take a swim and to enjoy a nice day on the sea. Yes, so the days will get colder, the water will get colder obviously, but the Baltic Sea will not decrease the temperature as fast as the lakes. However, it's a bit longer for me to get here, so I won't be doing much more episodes. Not sure if this is going to be the last one. Maybe if something drastically doesn't happen the rest of October. But yeah, with this wonderful view of Erstaviksbadet, it looks so lovely indeed, right? It's It's a blessing indeed to be able to take a swim on 4th of October in the Baltic Sea. So yes, with that said, it's time to dive in and to enjoy with the swim at Erstaviksbadet. Let's go! So nice and so amazing, but also cold at the same time. The water is super clean and super nice. The bottom here is super sandy as well, which makes it a lot easier to enjoy my swim here. I was opening my eyes during my swim. It was so magical to see underwater, especially when the water is so clean and nice. Let's dive in once again because it's such a beautiful feeling indeed. Okay, I mentioned gotten in a bit longer than I should. I got almost like brain freeze, but it's definitely worth it. It's such a wonderful feeling and cooling therapy for the body to recuperate and to get stress free. What a beautiful beach adventure. I just love the sea and being in the sea. I also love the lakes, but I prefer the sea a bit more, slightly more indeed. And when the view is magical like this and you're enjoying the life, it's definitely a blessing. Alright, let's dive in once again before we wrap up for today because I really am enjoying my time here. Alright, cool. It's time to wrap up and for me to enjoy with some sunbathing here a bit before I head home. Thank you so much for watching this episode from Erstaviksbadet once again. I'm not really sure which episode from Erstavik is this year, but I have been quite a lot because it's beautiful, magical, and fairly close to my home. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to visit this place if you're in Stockholm and want to enjoy the beautiful nature out on the Baltic Sea. And I'm gonna see you soon again with another adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.